Hyundai Sonata 2026. Luxury feel on a budget or risky buy in 2026? What if you could drive a car that feels like a luxury vehicle without paying a luxury price? Today we're talking about the Hyundai Sonata. Stylish, affordable, and popular. But is it really a smart buy in 2026? The Hyundai Sonata is one of the most stylish mid-size sedans in the United States and Canada. It's known for modern design, advanced features, comfortable ride. Many people say it feels like a luxury car, but costs much less. Price breakdown. New Hyundai Sonata 2026, around $27,000 to $35,000. Used models, between $16,000 to $25,000. Compared to rivals like Camry and Accord, it's often cheaper. Insurance cost. Insurance cost in the US, around $140 to $110 per month. Slightly higher than compact cars, still affordable compared to luxury sedans. Fuel economy. Fuel efficiency, around 27 to 37 mpg. Hybrid version even better. Monthly fuel cost, $110 $150. Common problems. Now let's talk about the issues you should know. 1. Engine issues. Older models. Some older Sonata models had engine reliability problems. Always check model year before buying used. 2. Resale value. Compared to Toyota and Honda, low resale value. 3. Transmission performance. Some drivers report slight delay in gear shifting, not as smooth as competitors. 4. Build quality. Interior looks premium, but long-term durability can vary. Maintenance cost. Yearly maintenance, around $400 $700. Affordable for a mid-size sedan. Total monthly cost. Let's calculate. Insurance, $170. Fuel, $130. Maintenance, $60. MISC, $60. Total, around $420 $520 month. Sonata versus competitors. Versus Toyota Camry. Camry equals more reliable. Sonata equals more features. Versus Honda Accord. Accord equals better performance. Sonata equals better value. So it depends on your priority. Canada and winter driving. Sonata in winter. Stable with winter tires. Comfortable ride. Low ground clearance. Not ideal for heavy snow. Final verdict. So, should you buy the Hyundai Sonata? Buy it if you want luxury feel on a budget, modern features, comfortable daily drive. Avoid it if you want best resale value, long-term reliability like Toyota, sporty performance. So, is the Hyundai Sonata a hidden luxury deal or a risky buy? Comment below and subscribe for more real car reviews.